Welcome back, traders, snackers, and truthers. Silver Gold Mine here on Monday, March 26, 2018. All right, traders, so I'm not sure if you had an opportunity to see the video I was making last week, but I believe that the market was about to turn, and I think I got my confirmation today. I said in my last video that was uploaded on the Snapchat, someone even said, you're pretty ballsy getting in there now. Well, that's about being a contrarian investor, so we'll get into that shortly, but I was telling you guys, I believe we're hitting a bottom here, and you want to be looking at market. Maybe Monday we may see another red day. I wasn't sure. Boy, we didn't see it. It was a quick turnaround. Bada boom, bada bing. So guys, really good. Dow Jones Industrial Average almost up 3%. The transport average, another one we got to pay attention here, guys. What's happening with the transport? She's right back at an area of support, and I believe as I look on the MACD, look into CCI, I think this is going to hold. Stochastics tell me look forward to possibly, most likely, a few more green days. So we're going to see as she comes back up to a previous area of resistance here, right around this 10,600, what happens to the Dow transport average. All right, so what else? NASDAQ. This is the one I was telling you guys we wanted to outperform almost. Yeah, a little over 3.25% today, heading towards 4%. Man, oh man, and look on the day, a hammer on the day. Beautiful. Stochastic cross over the trigger line. All great moves start from the bottom. All great moves start from the bottom. Just remember that. So we're at the bottom, hammer down, looking like she's going to make those market crashers look like a clown. All right, so before we get into the next clown, I got to tell you guys this fear and greed thing. So this is one of the indexes I've been sharing with you guys all the time. It tracks the fear and greed index across the U.S. market. It's brought to you by CNN. So I know there's a lot of fake news with them associated, but I don't think they lie about these numbers, to be honest with you. And that's why I'm sharing the numbers with you, because we're in the previous close was extreme fear. That was on Friday, right? And that's what I was telling you guys. Well, maybe on Monday we'll see another down day on the snap. Might be your better entry for those of you that happen to come across that public video that wanted to follow my trade ideas. You don't want to pay. If you do want to join up, there's a link down below. For the rest of you, that my traders that went into this, you know, I'm saying possibly Monday you might get in a little bit cheaper than I did. Well, you did get on Monday. We close on a hammer. She's looking good also. The market overall, extreme fear. Well, you may recall that over on the forum, connectingdots1.com, is where I was tracking, posting all these links. The forum is safe if anybody wants to go there and follow any of my past stuff. Unfortunately, the videos were taken down because the JSNIP4 and the attack group were able to have my channel taken down because I'm a bully. Yeah, I'm not a bully. I speak the truth. And the truth is coming out in his comments. Like I said, wait till you see. Snippy can't hide what's happening right in his comment section. In fact, some of his own followers are coming over to my comment section, poo-pooing on me, blaming me. It's not my fault. It's his own calls. Anyways, what I was telling you guys back then when I was doing these wrap-ups, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, which I plan on getting back on. There's just a whole lot of things happening in my life right now that I just don't have the time right now, but I will. I'll get back on it. This is what I was telling you guys just a week ago. I said I plan on making these shows 3 days a week. My problem is I can't do it 4 p.m. Pacific time. I'm way too tired. I'm a 5 a.m. guy, so 5 a.m. by the time 4 p.m. rolls around, I'm tired. I don't have it in me. So what I'm going to do, and that's when I'm working. It's different when I'm not working and I'm not busy. It's different. But when I'm busy, I just don't have it in me at 4 p.m. to do a nice wrap up on stuff. So I'll try to change the hours. I think I'll do exactly what I'm doing right now, roughly around 1 p.m., 2 p.m. my time. The market closes at 1 p.m. my time. So, you know, an hour afterwards might be a great time for me to do a little market wrap up and show you guys some charts. But anyways, as I was starting those shows every day, I was telling you guys, or 3 days a week, I should say, this is how you make a shitload of money. You become a contrarian investor. A strong held belief that the worse things seem in the market, the better the opportunities are for profit. So I can't tell you how to trade. I'm just telling you guys how I do it and some of the beliefs that I hold, and I love the technical analysis. I love the fear index. That's why I keep sharing this stuff with you guys, and even right down to Rothschild banking cartel family here, how their grandpapa made a shitload of money. Actually, this is not a full story, you know. It was actually a poker bluff. he pretended to sell all his positions only to turn around and start adding to all his positions because everything was going in the red. Everyone else thought he was dumping also. Anyways, that's going again offside here. I shouldn't get into that, but again, the February 2016, again, that topic, I was telling you guys, get in the market. I can't tell you what to do. I take that back. I was just telling you guys, I was making a forecast. We're in on the market. I've seen the bottom. We're ready to bounce. Unfortunately, the video, because it's been taken down because Snippy and the gang took down my connecting dot. Sorry, not my connecting dots too. They're trying, but my original Silver Gold Man channel that was started in February 2014, telling everyone get ready for $12 silver. Anyways, long story short, my forecasts are there. The written stuff is there, and anyone who's been following me, y'all know I'm not full of shit. I mean, it's even stamped here on the top, February 16, 2016. Long story short, guys, this is where I was getting at. All this blah, blah, blah on the markets. I just want to tell you that I think this is the bottom is in, and it's a good time to buy. I can't tell you what to do. I got into Snapchat. People were poo-pooing me in the comment section. You're nuts getting in this market. Da, da, da. Well, that's how you make money when you're a contrarian. So the contrarian in me, again, I went and added to my Binance BNB. You guys want to, if anyone's new around here, you want to follow my referral link to Binance. I make a little bit of commission, not a lot, but a little bit. And when you sign up to Binance, you have the option to either pay your fees, your trading fees, in either Bitcoin or in BNB coin. So I was telling my traders all along, well, I'm really bullish on that one. So I've been in it for a long time. We're looking at a 15-minute chart. Let's put this on a daily. So anyone who's been listening to me, I've been in this since early 2017 or whatever, mid 2017 when I started playing the cryptos here. I think it was in June, July. Long story short, I'm way up on my position. There's no doubt about that. But I'm bullish on this coin overall. The platform itself, you know, guys, they've even offered, just to show you just how dedicated they are about protecting everyone. They've recently been hacked. You remember that? They've now refunded everyone, and they've offered a $2 million bounty to track down the people that tried to hack their platform. They are serious. You may even seen some latest news. The FUD, they were lying about Binance. I think it was CoinGraph. I can't remember. I'm not even going to say which cryptocurrency news station, what site it was, but they were absolutely twisting the facts about Binance, and I shared that in a past video. That was the Bitcoin news one. I shared, look at that. Binance is calling them out. The CEO is like, well, why would the Japanese newspaper lie about us when we're actually, you know, in negotiations or whatever? We're having talks right now, discussions with the regulation. So there seems to be a lot of FUD, and I think it's because of the decentralized part of it, right? You don't have to give your full name, your date of birth, and your firstborn to get in this site. This is why I like it, and I think it has to do with the fact that, well, it's a double whammy. You know, it's kind of decentralized, and the other part is the fact that they're using this BNB coin to help, you know. Well, believe it or not, the trading, as more people join up, it's going to make the BNB coin value go up in value. So it's better than BTC in their perspective. They're helping their own clients. And it's the same thing with the Yobit, yobit.net, right? The link is down below more for Binance and Yobit in case you're willing to go trade there. But I prefer Binance if you're in heavy volume, and if you're trading light, then Yobit will do fine. But Yobit, same thing there. They have the Yobit coin, right? And that's what I was telling you guys. Well, I'm buying that one also. Look at how much it's gone up. So, and oddly enough, Snippy got into this one. He actually made a call out to his traders. But unfortunately, nothing is going to save Snippy at this point. Okay, this is his latest video. Man, I tell you, the comments here, you're going to have to hit the space bar. I don't have time to go over all this stuff, but I'll tell you, he can pin that video, and it's not technical analysis. Even the guy says, I'm not doing technical analysis. Then he starts doing technical analysis. I'm like, wow, what a fucked up person that guy is, eh? And I'm glad because someone actually called out this Marios guy. Absolutely wrong on his call. Thank you very much. And look at the thumbs. Look at the thumbs. Man, Snippy right in his face. Karma's a bitch, isn't it?